Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss question number 44. Let us see here. While boarding an aeroplane, a passenger got hurt. The pilot, showing promptness and concern, made an arrangement to hospitalize the injured, and so the plane started late by 30 minutes. Okay. Due to some reason, whatever the reason, here the reason is that a passenger got hurt. That's why the aeroplane gets late by 30 minutes. The aeroplane get late by how much? 30 minutes to reach the destination 150 km away. The destination from A to B. This one the starting point, that is A, and this one the destination point, that is B. Destination point, that is B. So from A to B the distance is given how much? 150 kilometer. That is from A to B. This is the journey that a plane has to fly and reach his destination point. Okay, this one the journey that aeroplane is to be travel. Okay, from A to B. Again, we know that due to a reason that a passenger got hurt, and that's why the aeroplane late by 30 minutes. The aeroplane gets late by 30 minutes. So the destination point from A to B, that is 150 km apart. Okay. Again, the question is asking here to reach the destination 150 km per hour. 150 km away in time. The pilot increased the speed by 100 km per hour. Something speed is given in the question, that is, we assume the speed is x, the original speed. Find the original speed of the plane. So we assume the original speed of the plane, that is here let solution of this go let the original speed of plane, we assume that one, that is x kilometer per hour, and the distance is given 150 kilometer. So the time taken by the plane to reach its destination point, that is original time, that is equal to s by v, the distance by speed, that is distance is given 150 kilometer and the speed that we assume x. But by reason the pilot increased the speed by 100 km per hour, means after increasing the speed 100 kilometer per hour, its speed becomes how much? We assume the original speed, that is x kilometer per hour. Its speed becomes how much? The speed becomes x plus 100 kilometer per hour. The speed becomes how much? X plus 100 kilometer per hour. From original speed 100 is to be add up. Okay, again the distance is same. Here the distance is same. We know that the distance that is given, the distance is same, that is 150 kilometer. So the time taken by the plane to reach from A to B will becomes how much? The time taken by the plane, that is will be equal to how much? S by V. The formula S by V, that is S for distance 150 and the speed is increased by 100, so the speed becomes x plus 100. I hope you are able to follow me. This one the time taken by the plane after increasing, and this one the original time taken by the plane. And we know that the question here given by 30 minutes late, means to cover this 30 minutes the pilot increased his speed. So if you equate these two terms, then which terms is larger? This terms is lesser, whereas this terms is larger. So as you, according to question, you can write here 150 upon x equal to 150 upon x plus 100. For makeup, the pilot increase this speed, means x plus 100, the speed will becomes increased by 100, means this terms will becomes lesser in compared to this one. So we have to add 30 in it. 30 minutes means 1 upon 2 hours. The whole things we assume in hours, so 1 upon 2 hours we have to add, so that it will becomes equal to this one. And by mathematics we already know that the numerator is same, but the denominator, which the denominator having a larger, this value will becomes the lesser. Here x plus, but here x plus 100, so x plus 100 is greater than x, so we know that 150 upon x plus 100 will be lesser than 150 upon x. So we add 1 upon 2 in lesser quantity to equate it. Again from here, 150 upon x minus 150 upon x plus 100, it will be equal to 1 upon 2, and as you take 150 as a common, we get 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 100, and it will be equal to 1 upon 2. And as you take 1 upon x here, this implies that minus 1 upon x plus 100 equal to 1 upon 300. As you put the 150 by cross multiplication to 2, we get 15 to the 30, and there is a 0. And as you take the LCM of x into x plus 100, you get how much? X plus 100 minus x, and it will be equal to 1 upon 300. The x will be cancelled out, and we have 100 upon x square plus 100x, and it will be equal to 300. And from here you can write x square plus 100x, and it will be equal to 30,000. It will be equal to 30,000. And from here you can write it by arranging x square plus 100x minus 30,000 equal to 0. And as you factorize this 30,000, you get how much? 30,000, you get 600 and 500. This one plus and this one minus. 600x minus 500x, you get how much? 100x. And as you multiply 600 into 500x, you get 30,000x in minus, and there is also minus. So we decided to put in place of 100 600x minus 500x minus 3000 equal to 0, and from here you take x as a common, then x will be remaining and 600 will be remaining, and if you take minus 500 as a common, you get x minus 600 x plus 600 equal to 0. So from here x minus 500 and x plus 600 equal to 0, and we know that, and from here we know that x equal to 500 and x equal to minus 600, and we know that the speed cannot be negative, so x does not equal to minus 600, and from here x equal to 500, and we assume the speed, that is the original speed of the plane, that is x kilometer per hour, so x equal to 500 kilometer per hour, and this one our original speed of plane. I hope you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.